Okay, you guys, I want to show you a quick tutorial on this pear deck because we have never done this before. So this is just how to make this work for you. Okay, you will have a link on Google Classroom and it will take you to these slides. When you click the link, something like this might pop up. You can choose how you feel or you can skip it, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then it's going to take you to my slideshow. And you see it's just a normal slideshow. You can click through the slides. So I'm going to go through them with you. The first slide here is this video that I've already given you to watch. So if you have watched it already, then you can go ahead and answer this question. According to the video, why was Martin Luther King Jr. and many others in Birmingham, Alabama in the first place? In other words, what work needed to be done? So you will answer that question. If you already know the answer, go ahead and type it. If you did not watch the video, you click on it, it's going to open in another tab. It's a 5-minute video. You can watch it and then answer your question. Okay, once you've answered the question, go to the next slide. This is just a review of paragraph 9, which you already did an assignment on. So here are just some bullet points explaining to you what paragraph 9 was about in case you forget. Moving on, these are some words that are important in paragraph 10. So if you get confused as you're reading and you don't know what these words mean, you can flip back to this slide and look at those words. So then we get to paragraph 10. Okay, so this is paragraph 10 of the letter from Birmingham jail. Now, you can just read it on your own and then answer this question. What claim is Martin Luther King Jr. making in paragraph 10? Pick whatever you think is the right answer. Or I have recorded a little tutorial for you. Now, this is a 6-minute tutorial, so I read it to you. The basic points in your statement is that so you see that I'm reading that to you, and then as it continues, I make notes for you and try to write some things out. So if you want to watch that video, it will read you paragraph 10 and help you understand it. If you can do that without reading or watching the video, you don't have to watch it. So pick your answer and then continue on. In this one, we have the same paragraph. So this is still paragraph 10. I just noticed that it says paragraph 9. This is paragraph 10. I'm going to go back and change that. But what you do is it says identify 2 pieces of evidence by dragging and dropping the stars on the evidence. So you have the claim in order for change to happen in Birmingham, nonviolent pressure is necessary. You drag the stars to the 2 sentences that you think show the evidence. Okay. And also notice it says audio included. When you see that, if you click these, the correct answer to what the claim, you'll see that I give you instructions, or that means I'm reading something to you, so you can go ahead and listen, or you can read it without the audio. It's up to you. Okay, then we move on to paragraph 11. So you might just do paragraph 10 on your first day at home, and then paragraph 11 on your second day at home. That's totally fine. So here are some vocab words that you might need to know for paragraph 11 in case you get confused when you're reading. Now, paragraph 11 is very long, so it is broken up into multiple slides. So notice this time I give you the claim, and you have to tell me why the evidence fits the claim. Again, I have audio included here, so you just can listen to it. If this isn't here, you just click the headphones and this will pop up. When the audio is there, it's me helping you understand the paragraph. I read the paragraph out loud and I help you understand it. If you can understand it without my reading, then you don't have to listen to the audio. Paragraph 11 continued, same thing. You have to look at the highlighted evidence, and this time it's multiple choice. Again, there's audio included. I read this paragraph and I help you understand words you may not understand. If you can do that without my help, you do not need to hit the audio icon. You can just move forward. Oh no, there's a mistake. Here we go. So then the last slide on paragraph 11, now notice this is very tiny font and there's a lot of highlighting, which I explained in the audio. The audio is a little longer this time. It's going to be almost 4 minutes. On this one, you're going to explain which of the pieces of evidence here affects you the most. And I explain that here. If you want to listen to the audio, I read the paragraph to you and I help you understand it. You can do that. If not, then you can go on without the audio. And then the last slide is drawing. So it says to circle words that represent the claim. All you have to do is pick a color or whatever. You can highlight, circle, put an X over it, but you can draw on the actual slide. Okay, so I know this is different, but if you need any help with anything, let me know. Or you can log into the help sessions on Zoom. We will have them for you. But hopefully this is helpful.